Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security spousal benefits. First, understand the basic eligibility requirements. You generally need to be at least 62 years old or be caring for a child under 16 or a disabled child. Your spouse must already be receiving their own Social Security retirement or disability benefits. Also, your marriage must have lasted for a minimum of 10 years to qualify for these benefits. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you'll need. Make sure to have your original birth certificate and your marriage certificate readily available. You'll also need your spouse's Social Security number. Finally, for convenient and secure payments, have your bank account and routing numbers prepared for direct deposit. Having these items organized will streamline your application process significantly. Now, let's cover the application process itself. You have three main options: apply conveniently online, call the Social Security Administration directly, or visit your local Social Security office in person. After you submit your application, the administration will carefully review all your provided information. You will then receive an official decision letter by mail, informing you of your benefit status. To maximize your spousal benefits, consider delaying your application past your full retirement age, as this can lead to higher monthly payments. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to develop a personalized strategy that best suits your unique situation. Also, for some great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.